Here are 10 healthy sports that can help you stay in top shape, physically and mentally. These are great for building endurance, strength, flexibility, and even improving mood and focus. 1. Swimming. Why it's great. Full body, low impact workout that improves cardiovascular health, builds muscle, and burns calories. Bonus, easy on joints, perfect for all ages. 2. Running or jogging. Why it's great. Excellent cardio workout, strengthens legs, improves stamina, and helps burn fat fast. Bonus, boosts mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. 3. Cycling. Why it's great. Great for heart health and leg strength. Can be done indoors or outdoors. Bonus, eco-friendly and a fun way to explore. 4. Tennis, or any racket sport. Why it's great. Combines cardio, coordination, and strategy. Bonus, great social sport that sharpens reflexes. 5. Rowing. Why it's great. Low impact, high resistance, full body workout. Builds back, arms, and leg muscles. Bonus, excellent for posture and endurance. 6. Boxing or kickboxing. Why it's great. High-intensity workout that combines cardio, strength, and agility. Bonus, fantastic stress reliever and core strength builder. 7. Basketball. Why it's great. Great for endurance, coordination, and team spirit. Bonus, builds agility, explosive speed, and cardiovascular fitness. 8. Soccer. Football. Why it's great. Intense cardio, leg strength, and agility. Bonus, encourages teamwork and improves coordination. 9. Martial arts. Example, karate, taekwondo, judo. Why it's great. Builds strength, flexibility, focus, and discipline. Bonus, self-defense skills and mental toughness. 10. Hiking. Why it's great. Strengthens legs, improves cardiovascular health, and burns calories. Bonus, natural stress relief, boosts mood, and improves mental clarity. In conclusion, the goals include weight loss, muscle building, fitness, stress relief, flexibility, and mental focus. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. We appreciate your feedback.